Do you want to be close to all the top-rated schools, the university, healthcare, and even the summer festivals?
With a price tag under $550,000 with a garage, well, Emily and I from Luxon's Real Estate Group have exactly what you need in the South End.
Come on, let us show you around.
If you'd like more information or your own private tour,
Give us a call and we'll get you through right away.